Hello everyone, welcome to Intelligence Kernel. I am Shimantini and today's topic is the practice set of narration change, transformation of direct speech into indirect speech, part 2. In part 1, we have solved numerous questions and saw that how the tense of the reporting verb matters while transforming a direct speech into an indirect speech. Now here in the part 2, we will see that how we can transform a direct speech into an indirect speech in case of interrogative sentences. Now guys, in this channel I upload videos about English and English grammar. Each week I upload 2 new videos in the channel. One video is the tutorial video of a topic and the next video is the practice set of that particular topic. So, if you want to improve your English knowledge, if you want to improve your English speaking skills and if you want to strengthen your question solving abilities, then this channel is the right channel for you. So guys, before we jump into today's topic, please subscribe to Intelligence Kernel and hit the bell shaped icon beside the subscribe button so that every time I upload a new video here, you immediately get notified about it. Alright, now let's begin. So, narration change, transformation of direct speech to indirect speech, practice set or question answer set, part 2. Now guys, before you start watching this video, I would recommend you to first watch the other videos of narration change that I already uploaded in the channel, the tutorial videos and the one practice set that I already uploaded. If you watch those videos first, then you will understand that what rules I am using here to transform a direct speech into an indirect speech. Alright, now for this video, I would suggest you to first read one question, then pause the video, then try to answer the question on your own, then play the video again and recheck your answer with the answer that I am gonna write. That is how you will strengthen your question solving abilities for your upcoming exams. Alright, so let's start now. First question, direct speech. He said to her, "Do you need a ride?" The indirect speech will be, he asked her if she needed a ride. Alright, now the next one, direct speech. She said to me, "How can I get this book?" The indirect speech for this one will be, she asked me how she could get that book. Alright, now the next one, direct speech. They said to him, "When are we starting the practice?" Indirect speech. They asked him when they were starting the practice. Alright, now the next one, direct speech. He said, "Is the train running late?" His brother said, "Yes." So, the indirect speech for this one will be, he asked his brother if the train was running late, full stop. His brother replied in positive. Alright, now the next one, direct speech. She said to him, "Can you help me finding the route to the nearest hotel?" The indirect speech for this one will be, she asked him if could help her finding the route to the nearest hotel. Alright, now the next one, direct speech. He said to me, when did you arrive? The indirect speech for this one will be, he asked me when I had arrived. Alright, so now we will see the next one, direct speech. She said to them, where is my bag? The indirect speech for this one will be, she asked them where her bag was. Right? So, now let's see the next one. Direct speech. The teacher said to her, why are you late today? The indirect speech for this one will be, the teacher asked her why she was late that day. Right? Now, let's see the next one. Direct speech. Did you make a list of the guests? Said Tony. Yes, sir, said his assistant. So, the indirect speech for this one will be, Tony asked his assistant if he had made a list of the guests. Full stop. His assistant replied respectfully in affirmative. Alright, now the next one. He said to me, do you know the address? The indirect speech for this one is, he asked me if I knew the address. Alright, now the next one, direct speech. She said to me, when are you coming to my house? The indirect speech for this one will be, she asked me when I was going to her house. Right? Now let's see the next one. Direct speech. Nina said to him, can you pass me the glass? The indirect speech for this one is, Nina asked him if he could pass her the glass. Alright, now we will see the next one. Direct speech. He said to her, do we need to leave now? The indirect speech for this one is, he asked her if they needed to leave then. Right? So, now let's see the next one. Direct speech. Are there any more papers to check? Said Ella. No, ma'am, said the assistant. There isn't. So, the indirect speech for this one will be, Ella asked the assistant if there were any more papers to check. Full stop. The assistant replied respectfully in negative. Alright, now let's see the next one. Direct speech. He said to them, how can I reach the station? The indirect speech for this one will be, he asked them how he could reach the station. Alright, now let's see the next one. Direct speech. She said to me, where is my phone? The indirect speech for this one is, she asked me where her phone was. Right? Now let's see the next one. Direct speech. He said to the teacher, may I sit down? The indirect speech for this one is, he asked the teacher if he might sit down. Alright, let's see the next one now. Direct speech. She said to him, must you leave tomorrow? The indirect speech for this one is, she asked him if he had to leave the next day. Now guys, again let me remind you that please check the tutorial video of this part first, then come here to solve the question answers, or you won't get every rules that I am using here to transform a direct speech into an indirect speech. So first check the other tutorial videos and the practice set that I already uploaded in the channel, then come here to solve this set. Press the I button above and click the link from there, or you can check in the comment section as well. I will give the link in the comment section there, so you can check it out from there as well. Alright, now let's continue this one. Now comes the next question. Direct speech. I said to her, when are you calling me? The indirect speech for this one is, I asked her when she was calling me. Right? So now comes the next one. Direct speech. She said to me, can you hold my purse? The indirect speech for this one is, she asked me if I could hold her purse. Alright, now let's see the next one. Direct speech. He said, did I leave my jacket here? His brother said, no. So the indirect speech for this one will be, he asked his brother if he had left his jacket there. Full stop. His brother replied in negative. Alright, now let's see the next one. Direct speech. She said to them, when are we going to a picnic? The indirect speech for this one is she asked them when they were going to a picnic. Alright, so now the next one, direct speech. He said to me, do you live nearby? The indirect speech for this one is he asked me if I lived nearby. Alright, now let's see the next one, direct speech. Jay said to me, can I borrow your notebook? The indirect speech for this one is Jay asked me if he could borrow my notebook. Alright, now let's see the next one, direct speech. She said to Meena, when are we going to meet again? The indirect speech for this one is she asked Meena when they were going to meet again. Right? Now let's see the next one, direct speech. He said to her, what is the name of this place? The indirect speech for this one is he asked her what the name of that place was. Alright, now let's see the next one, direct speech. She said to him, where do you live? The indirect speech for this one is she asked him where he lived. Alright, now let's see the next one, direct speech. I said to him, can we visit the carnival tomorrow? The indirect speech for this one will be I asked him if we could visit the carnival the next day. Alright, now let's see the next one, direct speech. She said, do you come here often? He said, no, I do not. The indirect speech for this one is she asked him if he went there often, full stop. He replied in negative. Alright, now let's see the next one. This is the last one. So here the direct speech is I said to them, where is my pen? The indirect speech for this one is I asked them where my pen was. So this was the last one of this practice set. So guys, that was all about today's topic, the practice set of narration change, transforming direct speech to indirect speech, part 2. Now guys, make sure to check all the parts of narration change that I previously uploaded in the channel and see the rest of the videos in the channel as well. I'm sure that you will get benefited by them. If you liked this video, hit the like button and share it with everyone you know that might need help with English grammar lessons and practice videos like this one. Also guys, if you have any kind of question about today's topic or if you have any thoughts on today's topic, then ask all of your questions and write all of your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see through every single one of them. Lastly guys, subscribe to Intelligence Kernel, hit the bell shaped icon beside the subscribe button so that every time there is a new update in the channel, you get notified about it right away. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.